Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. When we multiply a number which is more than 1 digit by a number which is 1 digit, we multiply each number of the more digits number by the 1-digit number starting from right to left. Multiply 2468 by 7. Here we first multiply 7 into 8, which is equal to 56. But we write only 6 and carry 5 to the tens place. Then we multiply 7 into 6, which is equal to 42, to which we add the carryover 5 and we get 42 plus 5 is equal to 47. And we write 7 and carry 4 to the hundreds place. Then we multiply 7 into 4 is equal to 28, to which we add 4 from the carryover. So we get 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. And we write 2 and carry over 3. Then we multiply 7 into 2 is equal to 14, to which we add 3 from the carryover. And we get 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Since no more digits are left, we put down 17. So the final product of 2468 into 7 is equal to 17,276. Multiply 1323 by 4. Multiplying each digit of 1323 by 4 starting from right and moving towards the left, we have 4 into 3 is equal to 12. We put 2 and carry over 1. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 9. Put 9 and we have no carryover, which is 0. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and there is no carryover, so nothing is added to 12. We put 2 and carry over 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 5. Since there are no more digits, we put 5. So 1323 into 4 is equal to 5292. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. For multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number, we multiply the 4-digit number with each of the 2 digits of the 2-digit number from right to left. And for each digit, we follow the similar procedure as we did for the 1-digit number. Multiply 3157 by 24. First, we multiply 3157 by 4. And then we will multiply 3157 by 2. 3157 into 4, we multiply each of the digits starting from right to left by 4. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Put 8 and carry over 2. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 2 from the carryover is 22. We put 2 and carry over 2. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 2 from the carryover is equal to 6. We put 6 and there is no carryover, so it is 0. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and there is no carryover, so we put 12 as it is. So 3157 into 4 is equal to 12,628. Now we need to multiply 3157 by 2. We add 0 in the units place and then put the value of the product. Multiplying 3157 by 2, we get 2 into 7 is equal to 14, putting 4 and carrying over 1. We have 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 11. We put 1 and carry over 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 3. We put 3 and the carryover is 0. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. There is no carryover, so we put 6 as it is. So 3157 into 2 is equal to 6314. Now we should remember that we need to add 0 to the units place, and that is the value which we need to add to 12,628. So we have 12,628 plus 63,140, which is equal to 75,768. Let us look at some word problems. A garment factory manufactures 2,718 dresses in a day. How many dresses will be manufactured in 23 days? Now we know that in one day 2,718 dresses are manufactured. So in 23 days 2,718 into 23 dresses will be manufactured. Let us do 2,718 into 23. Starting from right, let us first multiply 2,718 by 3. 3 into 8 is 24. Put 4 and carry over 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 2 from the carryover is equal to 5. So we put 5 and the carryover is 0. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Plus 0 from the carryover is equal to 21. So we put 1 and carry over 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Plus 2 from the carryover is equal to 8. So we put 8. So 2,718 into 3 is equal to 8,154. Now let us multiply 2,718 by 2. We put 0 in the units place and then do the multiplication. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Put 6 and carry over 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 3. So we put 3 and the carryover is 0. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 0 from the carryover is equal to 14. So we put 4 and carry over 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 5. So we put 5. So 2,718 into 2 is equal to 5,436. And we have 0 in the units place. So the value is 54,360. So adding 8,154 plus 54,360, we have 62,514. So the garment company manufactures 62,514 dresses in 23 days. 5-digit number multiplication with 1-digit number. The multiplication of a 5-digit number with a 1-digit number is done in the same way. Let's go through some examples to understand this. What is 10,843 into 2? Let us start multiplying 10,843 starting from the right to the left by 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. We put 6 and the carryover is 0. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 0 from the carryover is 8. So we put 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 0 from the carryover is 16. So we put 6 and carry over 1. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 from the carryover is equal to 1. So we put 1 and the carryover is 0. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 from the carryover is equal to 2. So we put 2. So 10,843 into 2 is equal to 21,686. Multiply 21,807 by 4. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. We put 8 and carry over 2. 4 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 from the carryover is equal to 2. So we put 2 and the carryover is 0. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 32 plus 0 from the carryover is equal to 32. So we put 2 and carry over 3. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 from the carryover is equal to 7. So we put 7 and carry over 0. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 0 from the carryover is equal to 8. So we put 8 as it is. So 21,807 into 4 is equal to 87,228.